Hi, my name is Dylan Brown, and welcome to my website about Year 8 Health and Education. We'll be focusing on drugs and alcohol. The website has been designed for teachers to use as a 6-lesson learning module that includes all the learning resources you would need for the 6 lessons over the 6-week period. The project's curriculum is from ACRA, the Australian Curriculum Assessment and Reporting Guidelines. The project curriculum guidelines are health education, personal, social and community health, and digital technologies, process and production skills. This is all for Year 8 level students. Through this project, the students will be going through the learning theory called the Maker Movement. The students will be required to create their own digital poster and record their oral presentation on their digital poster. The digital poster must include a sequence of steps to help or find help for drug and alcohol addiction. This sequence of steps must be targeted towards a specific environment. The students can target it either towards an out-of-school program or they could target it towards a program in school. Through this process, we are wanting the students to implement the 5 meaningful learning styles. They are authentic learning, cooperative learning, intentional learning, active learning, and constructive learning. Through the 6 lessons that will be planned for the teachers, we will begin with what are drugs and alcohol, and then we'll start introducing the project itself. We'll also start introducing the tools we will be using for this project, which will be Easily Infographic tool, and will also be Screen-O-Matic tool. As we go on into the following lessons, we'll start focusing on areas such as what are risks from alcohol or drug use and abuse, how to say no to drugs and alcohol, what are the different types of legal or illegal drugs, how to seek help for drug and alcohol addiction, how to apply their knowledge to set an environment for people to seek help or implement it in their communities. The end product should have 8 top students, and these 8 top students will have their projects distributed around the school and the community for the anti-drug and alcohol program.